These are scraps from my log milling operation. Should make great raised beds. This is a pretty simple project, so I'm not going to go into a lot of detail here. But anyhow, I begin by setting up a string line just so I can have the top of this bed even with the top of that other bed for aesthetic purposes. This piece is an offcut from making some 4x4s. I'm cutting it to length to form the four corners of the raised beds. Don't worry, I'm wearing my steel-toed loafers and my stealth chainsaw chaps, so this is completely safe. I made these pieces long enough that I could expand the height of the raised bed later. To make this quick and simple, I was trying to avoid joinery and just use these cabinet screws, but it turns out they would not reach with the curve of the log. So
that was kind of neat the way it shot off.
now I can successfully attach the side to the leg. Next, we can attach the end pieces. In the case of this specific piece, it's highly tapered, so I'm setting the top to level, again, just for aesthetics. And I use my framing square to make sure that everything is indeed square, or close enough for a raised bed. I didn't think I had enough compost ready to go, so we're putting down some cardboard as weed block. I chose to fill the bed mostly before placing the fourth side just because of ease of access. After we place the last side, we add mulch, which is also generated from my chainsaw milling operation. And there you have the finished product. Thanks for watching, folks.